Alright, today is day 4 or 5. Today I'm going to try and get the front end suspension on, so I need to mount these to the front end. Hopefully I can get through all that today. Alright, so this one's the suspension, and the yellow one, I believe it's an S13 front end. That's why we've got the double bolts here instead of the one pin that goes into the back of the hub. I think it'll be alright. I'm just going to pull it off and then put it on the other one and see if it works. So just have to grab my tools to figure out what we're going to do from there. Alright, now the next thing I need to remove is the steering rack. I want to be able to see the car obviously, so I need that as well. So I'm going to start taking that out now. Alright, so these coilovers here might not fit. So I'm probably going to have to take these out again, but for now I'm just going to leave it here and then try and mount up everything to the steering rack. I don't have a subframe here, but I think I can work something out. Alright, so that's everything we're going to do today. We got the front steering rack in with the control arms. Just need to hook them up to the subframe. So I'm going to pull the 4AG and the trans, the T50, out of the yellow one, pop it on like a little engine crate, and then I'm going to unbolt the subframe, bolt it into the white one, and then bolt everything up to the subframe so we can have turning. And then probably raise the back of the car because it's so fucking low, and also fix the camber because I think on the left hand side the camber's like that. It's just fucked, it's cooked. So yep, gonna do that hopefully tomorrow, if not the day after. So yeah. Okay, so yesterday I managed to get a subframe for an AE71, and they just dropped straight into the AE86. Got it for $50. Guy said it was slightly bent, but put it in, doesn't seem bent to me. So today I'm gonna attach the steering rack to the new subframe, and also the control arms to the subframe so we can actually turn the car. So yeah, go do that now. Alright, after some decent persuasion, the mounts are in. So now I'm just going to take the wheels off and then mount the arms. I'm going to start on fixing this rust here. So the rust goes all the way from here, I assume down to here, up here, it also comes to the end bit here. So I'm going to start fixing that. working on a little metal panel. Chuck behind here, put this here, push it behind there. It's mostly alright, and just fiberglass the rest, just make sure everything sits straight, and then, yeah, just to make sure we've got something to actually bond to. So I'm gonna set that up. Alright, so I've just finished up the welding. As you can see, not the prettiest welds, but they get the job done. So up here, over here, then these ones here, here, over here, and then just try to fill in some of these little things here. Now I'm going to hit it with the buzzer, just with 80 grit first. Just try and sand these down flat. Maybe try and get rid of this excess metal that's sticking up here as well. So I might just get the grinder for that. But yeah, I'm going to go over all these as well with it.